In this video, I'll teach you how to add multiple videos in Wix Studio. If you want to add multiple videos like a portfolio, if you want like 3 rows of videos, you need to go ahead and add them individual by clicking Add Elements, going down to Media, Single Video Players, and click and drag it and adjust it to your website. However, there's a much easier version that I want to teach you, but it does require an external website, but it's completely free of charge and you don't need to add any credit card information. The first step is to go to elfsight.com. I've added a link for this website in the video description that is going to take you to this exact page. And once you're here, you simply need to head up to widgets up here and click on see all widgets. From here, go ahead and search for video over here in the search bar, like this. And now you have a few different options. The option that I want to show you is through the portfolio option here, but you could also do something like Vimeo if you have them there. So go ahead and click on portfolio or whatever you want and click create widget for free. Now for this particular widget, we have the options to choose from over here. You can also customize the look of it further if you don't like any of the designs right here. So in this case, I'm going to choose this option right here just because it is for videos specifically, but you can also make it to images if you like, for example. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and click continue with this template down here. Now to add videos, you need to go ahead and click add project up here, add the name, the description if you'd like, and then go ahead and add the picture or the video in your case. Once you've added everything, go ahead and click done up here, and then you're going to have a new tab like this. And if you want to remove all of these, of course, just go ahead and remove them by clicking delete here. Now in this case, I'm just going to leave them just so we have something visual to look at. But you have lots of different settings. You can go ahead and add titles. You can also remove all of the titles here if you want a more simplistic look. You can also go over here, on the left hand side and click on layout, where you can choose a different kind of layout if you'd like. If you want to customize the boxes, you can also click on project over here. This one is a bit more minimalistic, as you can see, and when we hover over it, you can also see how it's going to work. So if I were to click on this one, you can see how it's going to look. It's going to open a video player. But just choose a design that you'd like, and if you want, you can also go to style over here where you can customize the colors a bit more. The only thing I would advise you to do is to go ahead and choose a font, because right now it says it's going to apply the default font from the website, but for some reason it doesn't on Wix. So go ahead and choose Arial, because I find that that's the most similar one to this text right here. As you can see, this is before and this is after. And once you're ready to add it to your website, go ahead and click on add to website for free. Now in your case, you're going to have a pop-up box where you just need to log into elfsight.com with your Google account, for example. And from there, you should end up on a page that looks something like this right here, as you see in my screen now. This is the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to do anything else, just leave it as it is and go ahead and click publish up in the top right corner right here. This takes us to this page where you can choose our plan. Now, because this is completely free, just go over here on the left hand side and choose the free plan right here and click select. And from there, we're going to end up on this page right here where you can go ahead and click on copy code and go back to a Wix Studio website. In this case, I'm just going to delete the video here from before. And now to add this to our Wix Studio website, go up and click on add elements up here in the top left corner. Go down to embed and social down here, and then click embed code and choose the very top option right here. This adds this box to a website where we need to go ahead and click enter code right here. Delete it so it's completely blank, and then insert the code we just copied on Elfsight and click update. From here, click away from it, and now you just need to fit it to your website. Once you've fitted it to your website, it should look something like this, and now you've added a super nice video gallery to your Wix Studio website. So that's how you can add multiple videos in Wix Studio. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.